Hi, we are going to go over how to create and save or change an article in the St. John Newman website. You should have each received a username and password to get into the administrative site on the website. Today we're going to do some work on our development or test site that we have set up, and I've got both screens open right now, the screen to the administrative side and the screen to the development side. So as you notice, this will look a little bit different on the right hand side. However, it is a test site where we can just do a little different. We can try our different things before we bring it to the regular website. We are going to create a new article. We're going to go to Content, Article Manager, and click on New. And we're going to call this Test Article 27. And we're going to choose this to go under Liturgy and Worship, under Sacraments. And I'm just going to type in some text here. This is a test. This is a test. Welcome to St. John Newman. And one thing to do, you want to check that you are indeed the author, and this create date, this start publishing date, so that this means that these will go into effective a date immediately on the website. For example, if you have something that you don't want to show on the website until tomorrow or the day after or next week, you can adjust that using these fields here. Specifically the start publishing date. One thing I really want to stress you think about using is the finish publishing date. So this means that if you have any kind of an article that has any kind of date of an event or anything like that, you should really use this finish publishing date, and you can choose a date in the future. I'm just going to go with 12/23, and then I'm going to hit save. Test Article 27. The next item that we need to do is we need to add Test Article 27 to the Liturgy and Worship tab here, or menu item on the main page. So this is a two-step process. First we have to create the article. Next we need to add it to the menu. Unfortunately, there's not a shortcut that I could find that will allow us to attach the menu items directly to articles. So it's a two-step process. Next thing we do is we go to Menus, choose the main menu. The main menu is this main horizontal menu on the main page of the website. Back in our development page here, we want to click on New, and we want to choose Articles. And it's very important that we choose Article Layout. And for the title, let's put Test 27. Now we have to find this article somewhere, so we need to go under the Select button, and I recommend you search or filter and just type in what you're looking for in this dialog box here, and then hit go. Then it will search for it. There are probably hundreds of articles right now on the website, so this search button really helps things out. So I'll put Test Article 27. I want it to be on the main menu, and now I got to find the parent item for this particular, I want this article to go under. Of course, I want it to go over here into Liturgy and Worship, so I have to find the parent item for Liturgy and Worship. If you notice, there are additional, in the hierarchy here, there's some parent and child setups here, or hierarchical items: sacraments, sacramental preparation, Eucharistic and prayer schedules, ministry schedules. So you could additionally put that article under these headers as well, but we're just going to put it right under Liturgy and Worship. So I need to scroll down here through the list of different parent items until I get to Liturgy and Worship. I think I've gone too far. Alright, let's scroll back up. Commissions, Liturgy and Worship right there. So this is going to be a first level child item under liturgy and worship. I hit apply. I like to hit apply in case I goof up, I don't do something right. That doesn't lock me. I just keeps the article up here in front of me if I want to keep on working on it. I go over here to the website page. You can have up as many windows really as you want, administrative windows and the actual window to the website all at once to kind of help you, so you're not always having to close out of one site and go into another. You can have them all open at the same time. It helps a little bit with your with figuring things out. So if you see it's not there right now, you're right, it's not there. What I need to do is I need to refresh the screen, go under liturgy and worship, and there it is, test 27. And test article 27, this is a test, this is a test. Welcome to St. John Newman, just as we typed it out before. As I may have mentioned earlier, when we're editing that article, we can copy in any kind of text directly from Word or an email or anything like that, and do a little bit of a text formatting while we're in that article. So very very simple, much like editing a Word document. What we may want to do is to this test article 27 is perhaps we want to add a link to a staff contact, whoever is responsible for this particular ministry or this particular event or whatever you may have, may want their contact information embedded into it. So we're going to go back to the article manager, and because this filter test is up there, so if I were to take that out, you can see all the hundreds of articles. So I'm just going to put test back in there, click on go, there it is, text 27. What I want to do, I'm going to attach Virginia's contact information right into this article. So I'm going to go down to this link here, or this little button here, it says linker, click on linker, and I want to insert a contact. So I'm going to pick staff contacts and find Virginia Stillwell. There we go. And the next step here is to choose on Get Link. That's the important thing with Linker. You got to choose that Get Link link. So there's Virginia. Now she may want to add a document of some sort of type, say a PDF doc, is which we really recommend that we use PDFs for any kind of documents we link to articles. But what we'll do is we'll click on Linker here again. We'll want to click on File, and with File we can link to some other file that perhaps is already on the website. But what we want to do is we want to upload a file from our website. So we can use this upload file button, click on browse, and find a document here on our desktop. You can see my resumes. I don't think we'll be putting those up there right now, but find a document, click on open, and then that document you can upload a file. Very simple to do. Another thing we can do is we can also click a link to an article. We can pick a section, and then here we can pick a category. We can pick any kind of thing we want. We're going to put a link to Faithful Shepherd, get link. Let's see, what else may we want to link in here? We can to an article, to a menu item as well. So lots of things we can do using this linker to embed into articles. Now if we do hit apply and go back over here, hit refresh. There are the things we just put in. There it is, Virginia. There's the same email form that we had before. That is our tutorial on adding and editing articles in the St. John Newman website. Thank you.